On the air, September 28th, 2019, getting into the late hours of Saturday night. I hope wherever you are that you're in good company, or if you're by yourself, you're welcome to join me as we see another day off into its twilight and welcome a new one while it's young. Earlier tonight, I thought I'd gather material for a new segment I've been excited to introduce, where I bring the atmosphere of the nightlife to those of us who prefer to stay in. I'll share that with you now. As I pass by a place that was once familiar to me, music escapes its door and bounces down several blocks. It's lively. I remember what it's like and how the feeling used to raise the hairs all over my body. And now I feel like an exile. No eyes fall on me out here. No voices call on me. As I turn the block, I mostly hear my own scuffing. The distance between sound and myself. The gap between you and I, exposed by street lamps as far as the eye can see. And vehicles racing between colored lights. It is too easy to not know who I am out here. Almost as hard as not knowing anyone else that's out here. While we have the opportunity, we might as well check in and see what it is that brings people downtown.
I love shopping. What is this?
After exhausting the events of the core downtown streets where most of the action is, I decide it's time to start making my way back. It's all behind me now, and I close my door on the experiences I vicariously store. Have a good rest of your night, folks. I'm signing off, and I'll see you next time.